Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making Mud Hen Bars. I had never heard of this recipe before, and boy, do I feel like I've been missing it in my life. Mud Hen Bars have a dark brown sugar cookie base, and then it has chocolate, and then it has marshmallows, and then it has meringue on the top. I mean, oh my goodness, does that sound good? But have I made this recipe before or ever tried them? No, of course not. So we're gonna make it together and see what we think. I was inspired by this song. On today's Jen's Daily Dish, we're making Mud Hen Bars with a chocolate there, cookie base there, here a marshmallow, there a meringue. On today's Jen's Daily Dish, we're making Mud Hen Bars. Yeah, we're making Mud Hen Bars. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your 9x9 or 8x8 pan ready to go. Spray it, throw some parchment paper in there, and you're good to go. Flour, baking powder, salt, whisk together, butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, beat until light and fluffy. Egg, vanilla, beat until fully incorporated. Add the flour a little bit at a time. Add it to your pan. Spread out in your pan best you can. Add your chocolate chips. Add your marshmallows, egg whites, beat until soft peaks form. Start adding your sugar a little bit at a time. Spoon your lovely meringue on top. This is the interesting part. It goes in the oven for 30 minutes. And what I know about meringue is it's usually at a very low oven temperature. So just be careful, keep an eye on it. We're gonna take it out when it's golden brown, again, about 30 minutes. Time is up, we're gonna take it out, but I peeked at it a little bit through the oven light. Now don't ever open your oven, and it looks great. Look at that. Let it cool for an hour before we'll slice it. It's been an hour. Let's take the parchment paper off and let's cut into this. It's very soft at the top. My, oh my, oh my. Let's take a look at these Mud Hen Bars close up. You'll see there the meringue on top with that fluffiness and some marshmallow and chocolate, and then that dark brown sugar cookie base. This looks fantastic. It smells fantastic. So it's all in the taste. I have to say, I'm getting the softness of the meringue, but the flavor of it is not punching through, nor is that a marshmallow. I'm getting that dark brown sugar and chocolate and fluffiness taste. It's like a fluffy chocolate chip cookie. I'll be curious to see what these taste like tomorrow. Sometimes they taste a little bit different and even better. These are delicious. If I can make these Mud Hen Bars for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more.